Welcome to Zoomer's RV of Wabash, Indiana. Today we're looking at the new 2020 Forest River RV Rockwood Mini Lite 2507S. This unit MSRP is at $34,689, but is available at the Zoomer's low price of $23,450. It is 26 feet long, weighs 5,471 pounds, has one slide, and features an outdoor kitchen, a refrigerator, sink, and burners. Now we'll check out the inside. On this side, we have the TV up above. Here is your countertop extension that hooks onto the end, and your double basin sink. Your radio and microwave above, and stovetop and oven, and a refrigerator. Across is the pantry. Next is the bathroom. There's your sink and a nice large storage space. We also have a mirrored cabinet and a walk-in shower with a skylight, and another linen cabinet. Here is your table and chairs. And a wardrobe or another pantry space. Additional cabinetry above. Here is your sofa. It also has the footstool feature of a recliner on both sides. Now I will show you the Murphy bed. For the Murphy bed, what you do is fold down this sofa by pulling up and laying it down. And then on either side, release the latch, and the bed will fold down. And here is your 60 by 80 bed. If you are interested in this unit, contact us or inquire online at zoomersrv.com.